non-rated birds are nothing but not flighting birds. Non-flighting birds are non-rated or non-flighting birds. First one. So the forelimbs are modified into wings. First, in flighted birds, these are also forelimbs are modified to wings. The wings are very short in condition. These are wings are the forelimbs are formed to wings, but these are very short. But these are very short in size. So there is not development of the any feathers, only presence of quills. The body is covered by baby quills. Body is covered by the baby quills, not feathers. So next one, and very important character in flighted birds. Note down everyone. In the flighting birds, the flighted birds are absence of the olfactory lobe. Note down in flighted birds. Note down everyone. In the flighted birds are lacking of the olfactory lobes. These are presence of the olfactory lobes. Presence of olfactory lobes. So what is the olfactory lobes? For these are determination of the smell. Okay. The olfactory lobes are present in the non-flighted birds. Clear. Next one. The body is a streamlined body, but the wings are very short. The legs are very large. Body is streamlined body. In the flighted birds, the wings are very large, the legs are very short. The streamlined body, wings are very short, legs are very large or long. Legs are very long in size. Clear. Next one. The bones. First one, the bone is a true bone. What I am saying, the bone is a true bone are known as a true ostia. True ostia. True ostia or true bone. This bone containing bone marrow. Containing which one? This is containing bone marrow. It is producing of, it is formation of the RBCs. Clear. So there is a non-pneumatic bone. Pneumatic means pseudo. True means real. Real bone is present. Pseudo means false bone. It is a real bone is called as a true bone. Clear. There are lacking of. In the thoracic region, there is a lacking of the wishbone. Wishbone. The lacking of the V-shaped bone. Clear. And what I'm saying? What is the bone? Okay. V-shaped bone, yes. Next one. In the thoracic region, they are containing ovaries. They are containing 2 ovaries in female, containing 2 ovaries in male, right and left 2 ovaries are present. In females, the males, they containing 2 testes. 2 testes also present. Next one. This is the presence of urinary bladder. Present of urinary bladder. So these are very large legs are there. These are shown. The carnivore runner. Carnivore runners. Not flighted birds. These are runner birds. The urinary bladder is present. The holding of the uric acid. Holding of the uric acid. Clear. Okay. Next one. The phago style is absent. Phaygostyle is absent. So the phaygostyle in the tail is very short and absence of the phagostyles. Very short tail. Very short tail. So clear. So this is the information about the non-flighted birds. This is very important characters of about the flighted, non-flighted birds. Examples: kiwis, Australian ostriches, and etc. So this is known as the non-flighted birds. So the non-flighted birds are completely carnivoral runners. Carnivoral runners means these are very short wings and large legs. Short wings and very large legs are there. So the forelimbs are modified into wings. The wings are very short. These are absence of the wings and consistence of the feathers. But and as well it is containing these are containing preen glands. The body is covered by the baby quills are there. So these are presence of the olfactory lobe. These are presence of the olfactory lobe for the determination of the smell. So the body is streamlined body. The wings are very short. The legs are very large in size. The bones are true bone. True bone nothing but the bone is completely filled with bone marrow. Filled with bone marrow. That is called true bone. The formation of the RBC. But the flighting adaptation, the flighted birds. So there is a lacking of the bone marrow. The bone marrow is filled with some amount of the bone marrow, and the remaining area is filled with gases. Lacking of the wishbone, clear. The lacking of the wishbone is the sternum region. Wishbone means thoracic, sternum region. Lacking of the wishbone. In the flighted birds, the sternum region containing wishbone. The ovaries are in the female. There is a 2 ovaries are there in the male containing 2 testes are present. So these are the presence of the urinary bladder for the collecting of the uric acids. The phygostyle is absent and very short tail. So example give you Australian ostrich and etc. So now today we are completion about the detailed characteristic features of the general characters of the birds and what is the difference in between of the flighted and non-flighted birds. Next.